On this video, we're going to Glendon camping ground. I was invited by a friend to go camping and gold mining. But before that, we need to buy some supplies. So I'm buying some steak, some corn, some vegetable, so that we can have something to eat tonight.
So I'll buy some steak and maybe corn snacks. We'll have something to eat. Okay, want some corn? Yeah. Take a basket. Do we have a basket?
Here's the meat section now, and we're buying some beef. Australia is one of the producers of the highest quality of beef in the world. Can't wait to put this beef on the grill. Before anything else, we need to do a pit stop and fill the tank with gas, as we have a long journey ahead of us. I'm including the whole travel time lapse for this journey, so you can see and appreciate how beautiful Australia is. Glendon camping ground is about 234 kilometers away and about 3 hours drive from my house. We're now traveling at South Brisbane. We're now entering the rural area of Ipswich. We're now entering the area of Warwick. I stopped at this liquor store to buy some beer, but unfortunately, can't find any. So while driving, I spotted these mountain ranges, and it reminds me of the Hobbiton, so I had to stop and take a look further. I decided to fly the drone, so I enjoy the beauty of these mountain ranges up in the air.
When the rain is blowing in, you for you in warm embrace to make you feel my love. With the evening shadows to the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears, I would hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. There's no doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go blind for you. I go crawling down the avenue. There ain't nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the road and the sea, down the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free, oh, but you ain't still nothing like me yet. There ain't nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you. Make you happy, make your dreams come true, to make you feel my love.
So finally, after 3.5 hours, we arrived at the Glendon camping ground. But before we can start any activity, we need to register our car and names at the reception. We also bought some firewood for the campfire tonight. This is the camping ground. And Paul booked this cabin that we're going to stay for a night. After unloading our baggage, we went and drive into the area. This is actually the first time my car is doing some minor off-road, because my car is not rated for 4x4.
It's so clear.
I got a 4 also, that's only 1080.
Oh, okay.
But I like that one, 8, because of the time wrap. The stabilization is good. Oh, there's a car here also.
What are all these wires?
Yeah. I need to change this one. It's wiggled. But about 5 years already. So it's I think we can make it.
Go. There it is.
I just turned off the test.
So those are old lines. There's better ones on the other side. See that? Did you want to stop here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Take
This
some
one?
photos.
Oh, yeah,
That's
yeah.
it. Yeah. That's one. There are better ones on the other side. The bigger ones are on the other side.
Recording? This is one of the abandoned mines. Watch out for snakes, okay? So it's just a small ditch.
There could be micro gold in it. You just have to smash it and.
There's one there also, right?
But what you want is be
could
careful,
be
Ron. Eh?
Yeah.
Or it could be so.
No, that's
Yeah.
can't be full.
Yeah, that one also.
Now,
Some there.
remember I told you it's very deep.
Yep.
Let's throw a stone.
Well, so many.
Hear that?
Yeah.
it took a long time to get down, didn't it? This one's even deeper, I think.
That's why they covered it. This mine is really deep. Can't even really see the bottom. I was trying to fix my camera and fix the mic, but wow, I almost dropped my mic. I turned on the flashlight to see if I can see the bottom, but I think this mine is really deep. It's really peaceful here and the surrounding is really beautiful, but I wonder how the miner actually endure the loneliness in this wilderness and survive many months away from their families. Because the 10% will eat vegetables. Steak. So after this we can have beer. How much you want it? What do you call it? So that? So that?
I'm gonna unfriend you. You need to take from that.
What's rare? What's like well done but rare?
Yeah, I only have a medium.
Medium rare?
That's what I have, medium rare. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this video while we explore the mining site and find out if we manage to get some gold. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new videos and hit the like button.